Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. Plus I will take this as a base 50 into 50, thickness is 12 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select Extrude, select this plane, create one center rectangle, 50, tab 50, finish sketch, extrude up to 12 mm. Next, this flange, select this surface, sketch, create one circle, (25), create one more circle, 18, give the dimension 37 mm, give the constraint, select line, we can trim this line. So finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 12 mm, ok. Select this surface, sketch, select here project geometry, create one circle, finish sketch, extrude 6 mm. Next, select this surface, sketch, select line, create circle first, (50) and 14 mm. Give the dimensions, (25 plus 13), select line, give the dimensions, first give the constraints here, now give the dimension, this depth is 6 mm, (25), here to here 13 mm. Create one center line, do the mirror, select this line, convert it as a construction, select this 3 lines, mirror, center line, apply, trim, trim this circle, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction 12 mm. select this surface, sketch, project geometry, select this circle, OK, extrude up to 5 mm. Next select these two extrusion, mirror about center plane, OK. Select these two extrusion, mirror about center plane, OK. So that's it friends, we can assign the material now. Select steel cast, we can assign finishes as per your requirement. Okay friends, that's the today's session. I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support my friends. Thanks for watching this session.